अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम शहजाद साबिर है. I'm the conference chair for the HopeCon 24. I would like to give you a brief on 3 days what we have done so far. First, it was an inaugural session where we welcome our guests from all over Pakistan, and we had some guests from neighboring countries as well. And the session went really well, and it was attended by Governor Sindh Kamran Tasori, and the entertainment we had for Abrarul Haq. Alhamdulillah, session went very well. The next day session was business session. In business session, we have a very thought-provoking, mind-boggling sessions where you are contemplated to think about a lot of issues within our country. Just to give you a brief, the climate change session was very good. The polio eradication session, which is very close to our heart, went very well. CSR partnership and corporate governance, in which we have invited our partners like AKU, our corporate partners like Unilever. That session was very well. We were inclined to make those corporates think about what CSR activities they were able to take up with Rotary. The next session was Pakistan, the way forward. As you know, Pakistan is going through a turbulent time, and within these time, we have to make sure that we as Rotarians, what kind of a difference we would be able to make, and how the economy is going so far. So we have Senator Salim Mandiwala on board, Dr. Ishrat Hussain, Deputy Governor State Bank, Muhammad Ali Tabba, Majid Aziz. They were a very powerful session with very powerful speakers that were departing their knowledge about how the country is going, what are the impediments to implementation. These are the very core issues that we have discussed. And followed by, we have a very good program going on for smart villages, excellent initiatives by Rotary to settle the flood victims into new villages, and those villages are basically self-sustainable villages. Those villages have a lot of education going, healthcare initiatives going, how they should be able to live in the normal village, and what kind of economics they are able to play for themselves, and how their products we are able to take it to the real world. So that session was very informative. इसी तरीके से बहुत सारे लोगों ने अपने पर्सपेक्टिव्स को शेयर किया, इस बारे में बताया गया कि यार वो इस बारे में हमें बताया गया कि इस बारे में बताया गया कि रोटरी किस तरीके से रोल प्ले कर सकती है इकॉनमी में, फॉस्टरिंग ग्रोथ के अंदर, कम्युनिटी इनिशिएटिव्स के अंदर हमारे पार्टनर्स कौन कौन से हैं. तो मेरे ख़्याल से ये एक बड़ा इंतहाई इंपॉर्टेंट सेशन रहा. हमारे कॉर्पोरेट पार्टनर्स ने अटेंड किया, हमारे स्पॉन्सर्स ने अटेंड किया. एंड ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन यू डू गुड वर्क, यू डू लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स that encourage us. थोड़ी सी एंटरटेनमेंट भी साथ होनी चाहिए. So we had a very good entertainment with Sir Gul Khan. And the third day, of course, is the Rotary internal sessions, which we have a district presentation, what clubs are doing, what kind of projects, so other people get encouraged as well. Then we have a very interesting session because we have 2 guests here from India. So we thought to do a session on Pakistan-India peace through fellowship and trade. तो अभी वो सेशन होना है, तो इंशाल्लाह उस सेशन के अंदर भी लोगों को मज़ा आएगा. पीपल टू पीपल कांटेक्ट कैसे होता है, किस तरीके से ट्रेड बढ़ सकती है आपस में. जब कांटेक्ट होता है, बिज़नेस बढ़ता है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली रवाबित भी इसी तरीके से बढ़ते हैं. और जाहिर सी बात है, आज के जियोपॉलिटिकल सिचुएशन के अंदर अगर हम देखें तो हमें अपने नेबर्स के साथ तो काम करना ही पड़ेगा, बिकॉज दीज आवर नेबर्स. सी पैक पे काम हो रहा है. इसके अलावा आप समझें कि जो साक एग्रीमेंट्स हैं उस पर क्या इन्फोर्समेंट हो रही है. इसके अलावा दूसरे हमारे नेबर्स हैं. तो ये सारी चीज़ें थॉट प्रोवोकिंग सेशंस के तौर पे पेश की जाती हैं, ताकि जब रोटेरियंस यहाँ से जाएँ अपने रिन्यूड कमिटमेंट के साथ जाएँ, रिन्यूड कमिटमेंट टू सर्विस अबव सेल्फ के साथ जाएँ. एंड देन द न्यू ईयर स्टार्ट्स, द न्यू गवर्नर टेक्स ओवर. So thank you very much, and wish you all the best for the upcoming year, and we look forward to see you soon in upcoming sessions. Thank you.